Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 4 5 off 25 scenarios for this Saturday, April the 17th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, here are a few quick tips. You want to keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, and you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. You also want to scan the items to price check because prices do vary from store to store. So here's how I go about checking out on Saturday when I do my 5 off 25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Next, I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If your store has the newer keypad, you will have to ask the cashier. If your store still has the older keypad, you can simply just look down on the screen and it will show you right there. Next, I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. If your store still has the older keypad, you can simply look on the screen and it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then, if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction and try again because any digital coupons will go directly back onto your account and any paper coupons that you didn't use will still work, so make sure that you get those back because the transaction was never completed. So before we get into the breakdowns, I do want to mention that I did upload 2 other videos this week. They will be linked in a pinned comment down below. One goes over a ton of pet food deals. We have some awesome deals at Dollar General. There was pet food as low as 55 cents per bag. Then my second video that I did was all about all of the good deals and glitches that I found this week at Dollar General. So be sure to go and check those out if you haven't already, and don't forget to give those videos a thumbs up. So for a couple of these breakdowns, we are going to be including some Ibotta rebates, so if you're not already signed up, make sure that you go and check it out. There is a $20 welcome bonus, and if you use my referral code on the screen as well as in the description box below, you will become a part of my team and we can start earning money together. And we are also going to be using the Fetch Rewards app, so if you are not already signed up, go and check it out. I highly recommend this app for new couponers. It is the easiest rebate app out there. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Cookie Crisp cereal, one Reese's Puff cereal, and one Lucky Charms cereals. Select General Mills cereals are on sale this week, 3 for $6. Then you want to pick up 10 of the Reese Cups 2-packs for $7.60. These are on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free, and these are 95 cents each. Then you want to pick up 1 Gravy Train dog food, 3.5 pound bags for $1.80. And you also want to pick up one of the Rachel Ray 3.5 pound bags of cat food for $4.05. If you guys need visuals on these, go back and check out that pet food deal. Next, 4 of the Pineline multi-purpose cleaners for $4. You can find those in the dollar aisle. And 1 of the Bic Razor 10 count for $3. Your subtotal will be $26.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, 1 off 1 Cookie Crisp, 1 off 2 General Mills cereals, 2 off 7 Reese's, 2 of the $1.25 off 2 Pineline coupons, 2 off 1 Bic Razor, 125 off 1 Gravy Train, and 175 off 1 Rachel Ray cat food. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.95 for 20 items. But it gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get back $1.50 for the Rachel Ray Nutrish cat food. Then you're also going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You'll get back 1,000 points, which is the equivalent of $1 for buying 3 of the participating General Mills cereals. That'll make your final price just $7.45 for 20 items, making each item just 37 cents. How awesome is that, guys? Alright, this next scenario is for anyone who wants to stock up on some dog food. So for this one, you want to pick up 5 of the Rachel Ray dog foods. They are 40% off right now, so they are $3.75 each. Picking up 5 is going to put you at $18.75. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. Those are $1.50 each. 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents, and then 1 of the Bic razors, 10 count, for $3. Your subtotal will be $26.93. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, your 5 off 3 Pantene, 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks, 2 off 1 Bic razors, and your subtotal after coupons will be $13.90 for 11 items. Now you may be thinking to yourself, wait a second, that doesn't sound like a great deal. So it does get even better. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get back $1.75 on each of those bags of Rachael Ray dog food that you've picked up. So you're going to get a total of $8.75 back. That's going to make your final price just $5.18 for 11 items, or just 47 cents each, which is a great deal in my book. Alright guys, so we're moving on to our third scenario, and this is kind of a household deal. So you want to pick up 1 of the Scott bath tissue, 6 count, for $3, 4 of the Pinoline 1 liters for $4, those can be found in the dollar aisle, 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables for $8, those are $4 each, 1 of the Febreze plug-ins for $3, 1 Crest with Scope mouthwash for $3, 1 of the Oral-B floss for $3, and 1 Crest toothpaste for $2. Your subtotal is going to be $26. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, 50 cents off 1 Scott bath tissue, 2 of the 125 off 2 Pinoline coupons, 4 off 2 Febreze Unstoppables, 2 off 1 Febreze plug-in, sorry that is a typo there, and the 5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $7 for 11 items, or just 63 cents each. Alright guys, so this is our 4th and final scenario. This is also our low out-of-pocket deal, and this is a girly scenario, so this is going to be a lot of fun. You want to pick up 1 of the CoverGirl face products for $6. You can pick up the foundations, the powders. They have several different ones that you can choose from that are priced at $6. 1 of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4, 1 of the Maybelline 2-pack eye pencils for $3.75, 2 of the Suave Essentials shampoos or conditioners for $1. They are marked down to just 50 cents each right now, and I think that is the 15 ounce. You can check my previous video with the good deals and glitches for visuals if you need it. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Always Discreet liners for $5, 1 Bic razors 10 count for $3, and then 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos and conditioners for $4.50. Your subtotal will be $26.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. You want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, 3 off 1 CoverGirl face, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye, 2 off 1 Maybelline product, 3 off 1 Always Discreet, 2 off 1 Bic razors, and the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.75 for 10 items, or just 37 cents each. So that's an awesome deal, especially because we're getting all of that makeup. Alright guys, there you have it. Short, sweet, and simple. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a little bit today. Before you go, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Before you go, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, please take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with your Saturday scenarios. If you get a minute and you think about it, come back and let me know how it all went. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.